All right, we've got our machine now, the PTLN Linux. So I'm powering on this machine. This machine is ready to rumble, and it's looking for the operating system. For a minute, it can't. So we have our Linux CD in the drive now, and we power on the machine, and the machine starts, and Linux is about to be installed. This will normally be done by the system administrator. The DBA will not be doing this installation, but it's always good to know. In this training, we seek to produce a robust DBA who has been able to put his hands here and there. So at the end of the day, you don't have a DBA like, oh, because you go to a place and you can't do this, you're like, what? You can? You don't know, and again, you don't want somebody messing you up by not, doing what they have to do with the server. You want to be in the know. All right. Now, the machine that we are setting up is a completely different machine from this one. This is VMware providing for us a server. So we can install multiple servers. As you can see, I've got tons of, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 servers provisioned by VMware. So now, the next thing we want to do is just follow the prompt. Next, good old English, American English. Now it's asking, we provided 40 gig of hard drive. Do you want to format all 40 gig? Yes. We can begin to be granular here, start doing partitioning, but we won't do it. We just accept the default for now. As the class progresses, you will be playing with all the switches here. The question here is what we talked about in class. That every time you put your laptop on your home, you need an IP address to be able to go to the internet. Agreed? Okay. So now the question is, do you want me to automatically go get this IP address, or you want to give me one that's fixed? We can do that even with your laptop. Problem of doing that with your laptop is that when you leave your home and go to work or bank the logo, then you have to be changing it. So you don't want to fix the IP address of your laptop. But for your desktop at home, you can fix the IP address because it's going nowhere. It's just there. So this server, I say, hey, you want, so we're going to just say next. We can fix it. Oh, where is this server going to be? Eastern Standard Time, America, New York. You pick that up automatically because we are in Atlanta. Aha, this password is very important. You don't want to forget it. This is the password of the administrator. In Unix, a user is automatically created when you install Unix. That user is called root, R-O-O-T. In Windows, that user is called administrator. So right from the box, that's created for you. He has all the powers on this machine. So the root account password is what we just given. Aha, this is what I was talking about earlier. That in Windows, you buy a laptop from Best Buy or a computer from Best Buy. Microsoft expects that you're just going to use this computer for whatever. So everything is installed for you. But Linux doesn't do that. Linux says, okay, here's the bare bone. What do you want to use it for? For software development, then we can deploy all these packages. If it is for web server, then we can do it. So Linux avoids pre-installing everything for you so that it doesn't clog your system. Because at the end of the day, tons of things in Windows we never get to use. And it's just there. So we'll just say, okay, we're going to customize a little bit. And what we want to do, since we have in mind that we're going to be using this server for Oracle installation, I want to show you how to go ensure that the Oracle packages are delivered at the time of installation. Now we can do this after installation, but at the time of installation, the Oracle packages are there. We can deploy it right away. All right, base system. All right, so on the base system, we have system tools, and we have optional packages. And now, when we click on optional packages, we should have the list of optional packages. There we go. The list of optional packages. Not all of them will be automatically installed. Now, there's a particular one I am interested in. It is called Oracle Validated. Note that, Oracle Validated. Because this is Oracle Enterprise Linux, Oracle has gone ahead of time to put in this Linux packages that will deploy Oracle-centric configuration. This package will create the user Oracle, which we would have had to manually create. This package will create the group DBA. This package will set the parameter for Linux for Oracle installation. We'll talk about this a little bit more, but there's this other package I'd like to quickly throw in right there. See, start and close it, and next. And it's checking dependency, because some packages will clash with some other. And packages, basically, these are just updates, like Microsoft will tell you want to do all these updates. So we're putting in all the updates required for Oracle to be installed. Alright, it's checking dependency. And next. Now the installation begins. It's formatting the file system, and now it's going to begin to copy the files from the installation CD and the installation property. This process may take another 10 minutes, so we're going to just pause it and come back to it. One quick thing you need to notice is that this mouse has refused to leave this machine. This is a completely different machine. I mean, I can't be moving my mouse here and it's moving there. See that? This is a different machine from my Windows machine. So the mouse is trapped there. So there's a way to make it go out of this space. Alright, so our installation is complete now, and we need to reboot the server. Server is about to be, we reboot the server, and it's rebooting, and we'll go through the process of rebooting. Three seconds. So now we rebooted the Linux server, and we have this welcome page, and we're going to click forward, and we're going to agree with all the license agreement. And now this screen says, do we want to enable firewall? So we're going to keep the firewall, because servers have to be protected so that, you know, people who are not authorized will not get access. We will be doing file transfer from outside in. Yeah, we will be. We will be doing mail. I usually will check all of them, because you can write and tell which one you will need. And the purpose of checking them is so that it will automatically open the ports for those kind of things. Now here we can configure the port. If we already know the port Oracle is going to use, we can keep that port open. I'm going to open one, just one, and then later show you after installation how to open the rest if you have more ports. Other ports, add a port. I'm going to open 1521. It's going to be a TCP traffic, and there we go. So that one port is open. So right now, if you want to enter this box through another port that is not open, we have to manually open that port in the firewall. Alright, let's move forward. We want to do this, yes. Now, Linux does have its own internal security system. I'm going to disable it so that it doesn't get in our way. Remember, you're in a DBA class, you are not in a sysadmin class. I don't want the Linux issues to start coming up and distract you. So I'm going to disable that security. Even if you didn't disable it, it won't mean much, but I don't want stuff to start coming up. Okay, forward. Today's date is the 19th of June. The hour is that. Forward. Do I want to create a user? No, I don't want to create a user. Continue. You all want to test the sound. The sound is not important to us, but I tested it. It should work. Alright. Finish the installation. If you hear the sample sound, yes, I did. Finish the installation. Yes. So now we have finished the installation. So there we go. Linux is already installed, and it's ready for us to log in. And if we log in with the root credential, username root, password is that password that we gave it, and there we go. Linux, the graphic user interface of Linux is up. So Linux is up and running. So in our next video, we are going to be configuring Linux for Oracle installation. We're going to check that the appropriate user have been automatically created, the packages are there, and then we will go ahead and install Oracle. Thank you very much for giving me audience, and we'll see you in the next video.